ki khubor ka bate si TV Rakhe ka Frank Yamaha khatn reus nem ya ga jing shakri ga jongka baden ais ngo bha sha baro kinong thi thuk thuk ringkat ka kabuk ser ban long kinong job ya santali gi laptop kani ka offer kan kot ha ka live hoteri unai lur 8000 ar pusau net foodish ordar mapi ngin wan ra mangi hakher dob ying jongpi
Ka district Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin West Khasi Hills district managasngi balang jangatayo kaliya ban pinlang ika Swachhata he Seva ban Rakhe ika Swachh Bharat Divas hapo nongastan West Khasi Hills district ketika jingalang kelong rukum shibinta ban Pynkup Burom yakishnong kinong yalam shnong ikinong treman sngoba ka solid waste management bat ya baro badan benta ban wanra ya khoi ka suba hapo kishnong ki thau bat haka district hi baro koi bat haka ni jingalang la jedru yu samla Rinaldi kharbani kumu brand ambassador jaga Dsbmg Lapulong nya ketika jingalang hapo Bishop Hall Longston hakabo MLA ka Rambrai Jerngam RG Moment lolong kumukongsan haringka ka jingadan langru uba ilartang ketrat PHE Western Circle kinong tole ka Dsbmg kipat babat QA
Koi kelang ka Pynkup ya pi ya ni kum ki Burom namar bakam ka jine koi ki ma ya me to kya jine koi kelang ka Pynkup tam namar balai namar ba adani pe koi ye pun jai jipang ya har kom kini jipang har kom pelang yang bangin yo jipang na naga jibong koi profesional thao jibong koi jadi ye biha jibong koi jadi office ke bani tray jibong koi jadi school jibong koi jadi hospital kini kawan pra ya kajing pan bahar kom di bawah ini
Swachhata means maintain personal hygiene and healthy environment. The man has the response to care the environment. We have to preserve our environment like this. No? So, if we don't care much, these dirty things that will affect our health, our environment, our place like this. Suppose this cleaning, this Swachhata Pynkup, we should drink the clean water. We should go to the toilet or aikana in toilet, not in shower, not in outside, so that insect will not attack, insect will not spread the disease like this. No? So these are the things, and we are the good citizens. Though it is not written in the municipal rules, also not there, government rules, also there, not written in the law, also there, but we are the children of the need kunjong ublay. At least we should have some civic sense. If we know what should be done and what should not be done, we call it civic sense. Municipal board also or Shillong Muda also might not have passed these rules. But you know, if we throw these dirty things on the way or somewhere, it will affect the environment. You know all this. So we should use our spiritual law. Not only letter law may not be there, but you know, it will harm our health, it will harm our society, it will harm our environment. This thing we should know ourselves. Today is the day of good works. You know the good works. If you know that will spoil the environment, that will harm the environment, that will bring some diseases to our society, that will do some harmful, some hazard to the people. So, though it is not passed by the government, but you know, we have civic sense, we have to use properly and help them. If you know what things should be done, what should not be done,